We are in Asheville today and we're volunteering with NECHAMA to help fix a home which got flooded during Hurricane Helene.
It is so drastically important to be partnering with organizations like Duke here, because without this physical hand labor, we're not going to get any of this work done. We can have as much funding as we can be given, but without having the physical hands, we can't actually take those funds and put them to good use.
As a Duke student in North Carolina, I think it's important to go out there and actually establish those relationships within the North Carolina community and really be part of this state.
I think that giving back to people is very important, and that you cannot be like a complete person without doing work for others.
This trip is important to me because I want to make sure that I'm helping others throughout my life, and so when I see an opportunity to do that, I want to take it.